Hi everyone, welcome to my channel MLT Super Guide. In this video, I am going to discuss Immunology Part 2, question number 31 to 60. Before that, if you are watching my channel first time, please watch my first video Immunology Part 1, question number 1 to 30. Link is given in the description box. 31st question. Antigen binding site on immunoglobulin is located in light chain, Fc region of antibody, heavy chain, Fab region of antibody. Here the right answer is option D, Fab region of antibody. As we know, an antibody molecule consists of two identical heavy and two identical light chains. The heavy chains are longer and light chains are shorter. An enzyme known as papain can digest immunoglobulin molecule into three fragments, one Fc fragment and two identical Fab fragments. Two Fab fragments possess the antigen binding sites, but the Fc fragment lack the ability to bind antigen. So here the antigen binding site on immunoglobulin is located in Fab region of antibody molecule. Next question. Monoclonal antibodies are produced by fermentation, hybridoma technology, genetic engineering, none. And the right answer is option B, hybridoma technology. Hybridoma technology is a method of producing large number of identical antibodies, also known as monoclonal antibodies. So the right answer is option B, hybridoma technology is used to produce monoclonal antibodies. Next question. Plasma cells are formed from T lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, both, none. Here the right answer is option B, B lymphocytes. Plasma cells arise from antigen activated B cells in secondary lymphoid organs such as spleen and lymph nodes. Immediate protection obtained through active immunity, natural induced immunity, passive immunity, vaccination. The right answer is option C, passive immunity. Immediate protection obtained through passive immunity. Next question. Which of the following immunoglobulin is predominant in secondary response? IgA, IgG, IgM, IgE. The right answer is option B, IgG. The predominant immunoglobulin in secondary response is IgG. Next question. Body surfaces are protected by IgG, IgM, IgD, IgA. The right answer is option D, IgA. Body surfaces are protected by IgA. Next question. Langerhans cells are present in skin, islets of Langerhans, spleen, lymph node. Right answer is option A, skin. Langerhans cells are present in skin. Next question. How many types of antibodies are present? The right answer is option C, 5. Next question. T cells are produced from bone marrow, thymus, spleen, none. Here the right answer is option B, thymus. Next question. Bloodstream is protected by which antibody? IgM, IgG, IgA, IgE. Bloodstream is protected by IgM antibody, and here the right answer is option A. Antinuclear antibody is detected by complement fixation test, hemagglutination, immunofluorescence, Widal test. Here the right answer is option C, immunofluorescence. Next question. Body fluids are protected by IgM, IgG, IgE, IgA. Here the right answer is option B, IgG. Which antibody is able to cross placenta? IgM, IgE, IgG, IgA. Here the right answer is option C, IgG antibody is able to cross placenta. Next question. What is exaltation? Enhancement of virulence, reduction of virulence, enhancement of invasiveness, none. Here the right answer is option A, enhancement of virulence. Next question. The hallmark of all immunological reactions are sensitivity, specificity, accuracy, none. Here the right answer is option B, specificity. The hallmark of all immunological reactions are specificity. Next question. Reaction of soluble antigen with antibody is known as agglutination, precipitation, ELISA, flocculation. Here the right answer is option B, precipitation. Then what is agglutination? A particulate antigen combines with its antibody in the presence of electrolytes at an optimum temperature and pH, which resulting in visible clumping of particles known as agglutination. And flocculation, when instead of sedimenting, the precipitate is suspended as flocules, the reaction is called flocculation. Next question. Reagenic type of antibody is IgG, IgM, IgE, IgA. Here the right answer is option C, IgE. Next question. Example of slide flocculation test is Widal test, VDRL test, Kahn test, complement fixation test. Here the right answer is option B, VDRL test. Next, common example for complement fixation test: Widal test, Wassermann, Kahn test, VDRL test. Here the right answer is option B. Common example for complement fixation test is Wassermann test. Next question. Which test is more sensitive to detect antibodies? Precipitation, agglutination, complement fixation test, flocculation. Here the right answer is option B, agglutination. Next question. Largest lymphoid organ is thymus, lymph node, spleen, none of the above. Here the right answer is option C. Next question. Which of the following is two flocculation test? Kahn test, VDRL test, Wassermann test, none. Here the right answer is option A, Kahn test. In Widal test, large loose fluffy clumps are formed by agglutination of O antigen, H antigen, VI antigen, none. Here the right answer is option B, H antigen. Next question. What is the percentage of agar used in immunodiffusion test? 1% agar, 2% agar, 2.5% agar, 3% agar. Here the right answer is option A, 1% agar. Next question. Widal test is an example of slide agglutination, tube agglutination test, tube precipitation test, slide flocculation test. Right answer is option B, tube agglutination test. Next question. ASO test is an example of precipitation, agglutination, neutralization, complement fixation test. Right answer is option C, neutralization. Which of the following test is used to detect rheumatoid factor? Roswaller test, Paul Bernal test, Weil-Felix test, none of the above. The right answer is option A, Roswaller test. Next question. Which antibody is involved in hypersensitivity type 1 reaction? IgA, IgG, IgM, IgE. Here the right answer is option D, IgE. Hypersensitivity refers to a condition in which immune response results in excessive reactions leading to a tissue damage, disease, or even death in the sensitized host. Next question. Most of the type 2 cytotoxic hypersensitivity reactions are mediated by which antibody? IgA, IgG, IgD, IgE. The right answer is option B, IgG. Last question. Grafts between members of different species are allograft, isograft, xenograft, autograft. Here the right answer is option C, xenograft. Graft between members of different species are known as xenograft. Then what is allograft? Allograft, it is graft transfer between two genetically non-identical members of the same species. And isograft means it is a graft taken from an individual and placed on another individual of the same genetic constitution. And autograft, it is a tissue or organ taken from one site and engrafted to another site in the same individual. Here the right answer is option C, xenograft. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.